Advocate High Court and Legal Consultants Mobile No. 2. 1. MS Name of firm through its Managing Director Office. Address of Chamber or Office of Advocate District Courts. Name of District. By Rugged. Jar. D. Executive Director. Address. Executive. Legal Notice. Under instructions from and on behalf of my client SMT. S.O. and has good reputation among the society. Date _2023. I hereby serve upon you the legal notice with the following contents. ROH. No. 1. That my client is a law-abiding citizen of India and resident and has good reputation among the society. 2. That you the addressee number 1 is company registered under the Companies Act 1956 having its registered office at office space firm address, and you addressee number 2 is the chairman cum managing director. Addressee number 3 to 7 are the executive directors of the addressee number 1, and you all addressers no L to 10 are jointly and severally responsible for the day-to-day working and act and conduct of the company. 3. That from November 2014 to December 2014, you addressee number 1 through the addressee number 2 to 7 had launched developed residential space in multi-story building in the name and style known as housing scheme, under affordable housing policy of town and country planning. Vide notification no. PF dated _ and bearing license no of 2014 dated situated at address, and my client had applied for a residential unit under category, and check. I1 BHK type L, vide check no. No. Dated _ for hours, drawn on. For hours. And style known as Bank of India. Dated J. Above said housing scheme vide acknowledgement slip no after draw of the above said 4. That my client had also applied residential space in multi-story building in the name, under affordable housing policy of town and country planning, address which was also allotted to my client vide flat unit no. Tower no in the above said project and as per the policy of the affordable housing of town and country planning. State, a person cannot allot more than one flat unit under the above said scheme, and if any unit flat has been allotted to any person, he will retain only one unit flat and rest of the unit shall be surrendered by him. Therefore, as per the policy of town and country planning, state, my client could not retain both the unit flat under the said scheme and he surrendered the unit flat allotted by you vide letter dated, which was duly received and acknowledged by you, and you addressee number 2 to 7 assured to refund the earnest money to my client through email. 5. That on my client sent letter to you addressee number 2 to 7 to make the earnest money, and you addressee number 2 to 7 through email humbly requested to make the same till February, but you addressee number 2 to 7 failed to make the above payment to my client. Therefore again on JJ_, my client sent reminder for making the payment along with interest as discussed with Mr. and Mr., which was duly received and acknowledged by you the addressee number 2 to 7, but till date you addressee number 2 to 7 failed to make the above said payment to my client, which clearly shows your malified intention to grab the earnest. 6. That my client has several times approached to you for refund of the earnest money, and you have threatened to my client for dire consequences if my client take any steps against you in the court of law. 7. That you the addressee number 2 to 7 have caused wrongful loss to my client and wrongful gain to you of your oblique motives, as such you have committed offences of fraud, criminal breach of trust and cheating, for which you shall be prosecuted according to law. 8. That you addressee number 2 to 10 are liable to be prosecuted and punished under section 420, 406, 506, 120 BIPC. You are hereby, by virtue of this legal notice, given an opportunity to refund the earnest money of Rs J and Rs, along with interest at 18% p.a. from the date of application for cancellation of the above said unit flat till its realization, along with Rs. as cost of this legal notice, within a stipulated period of 15 days from the date of receipt of this legal notice, failing which my client shall be constrained to take legal action against you in the competent authority as well as court of law to seek the above relief against you at your risk, cost and consequences. A copy of this notice has been retained in my office. You are also advised to keep this original notice intact. Name of advocate, advocate.